Life is a game and I don't feel like playing. All of the love that I get is just fake. Searching for dreams but it's hard to explain it. What is the meaning of myself without you? I'm so codependent that I'm going downhill. I'm watching the blood dripping down from the fountain. The place that we met, now I feel like I'm drowning. I can't live alone, not on my own. Wasted the time that we had, now your ghost. I do not know, I cannot cope. I take a pill to decide where I go. I need support but keep it on the low. You hurt me, I'm bleeding, dying out slow. Where do I go? Where do I go? My lack of joy, it equates to my hope.
You love, I tell myself again every time I look above. Cause I can't seem to hold inside and feel love. Cause I can't seem to hold inside and feel love.
Triple kill.